You're listening to the Chef Rock and CJ Show. We'll be right back. Aloha, folks. Check out the coolest invention for your kitchen I've ever seen. It's called Fog-Safe Drain Guards. FOG stands for fats, oils, and grease. You can now dispose of your used FOG in an environmentally safe way. You know, Fog-Safe Drain Guard is made from recycled and eco-friendly materials. Simply place the container in your drain or on your countertop. It's that easy. Pour in the fat, oil, or grease right up to the top and let it sit for 1 minute. It absorbs all the grease, fat in there, so you could throw this right in your trash without any drips or mess. No more bags, no more glass jars. It's that easy to dispose of your used FOG. You know, people throw it down their drains and whoo, you know what the average plumber costs nowadays to unclog that? $200. That's a lot of money. And think of it, you could save the environment at the same time. Fog-Safe Drain Guards are Chef Rock approved. Go get some today.